He's still trying, you all.
Something different with the Hudsons. Something different with the Hudsons. Something different with the Hudsons.
Y'all look at this. Look at Rodney White. Don't y'all play with Rodney.
My husband was trying for a half hour. I wasn't gonna stop this thing.
That's Rodney. Yeah. Y'all don't play with Rodney White. That wood been sitting there for 2 years. He love the outdoor. In the backyard. Refuse to stop.
Man, I'm through with this. I'm through with that, son.
This was once a good idea, but then it turned into a bad idea because we wanted the covers to go over top. So we made these. But what I didn't realize when we did it is that I can't get into the little storage area right here. See where it blocks off? So now I asked my husband, Mr. Do Something Different. Y'all know I'm gonna laugh. I miss Do Something Different, but you know what? He makes some stuff apart and he can put it back together. But we got it down. So we're gonna reconstruct it again. But that was a bad idea on my behalf because I couldn't use my little storage area on his side of the bed. So, Mr. Do Something Different, gonna fix it. That even with the how it's made, it still was a poor design because they pushed this really close to the window. So don't really like it, period. But we're gonna fix that. And that was even making it worse. Okay. Then it's gonna be, see where the window shade is? That's all I can do. I'm forever laughing. I know y'all talking about everything. Yes, I do. I laugh. Got tools. Guarantee you that. This tool, he got, you name a tool, he has it. A tool for everything. Out here whining, spoiled Zoe. Okay, you can see that. They had those type of buttons. I can open the closet again. So he turned a bad idea back into a good idea. We added the buttons. We did create the design. Hey y'all, we back at it again. Mr. and Mrs. Do Something Different. You already know he got on his blue pajamas. Or either his blue and beige sweatshirt because I talked about it so bad. It got some good reviews on it. That's why I ordered it. It don't look bad. The other one is already outside. Got some extra screws. So we're going to take it outside. It's wobbling. I got to balance it out once I get in the camper. If you hear the noise, he's cooking up the camper. I'm just doing a quick overview. More space. So nice big sink. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Cook with. Most time I cook outside, but I got plenty enough space to cook with here. All the way around. The bar stools. My bar stools are over here in the corner because we're getting ready to move. We're getting ready to travel. So if it's good over in that corner, I'm so glad I bought those. And it's a perfect spot for them so they won't slide around. Yeah, I went shopping in my own kitchen. That's how much food. I got food out in the kitchen. And we still got plenty of food in the kitchen. What a blessing. Yes. Freezer. So, windows for view. And a window right here. And two, if I didn't show you, it's two windows on each side of the bed. One small. And I didn't show you this. Let me show you this. Over in the corner, we have two shelves there. One for the night light, your chargers on both sides of the bed. So that is a plus. You know, I can do what I do, and he can do what he can do on his side of the bed. I have a lamp, but it's nice over in that corner. Right now, I can't get over there to show you, but I guess you can see it from here. Okay? And up here, there's more space. More storage space up here. This, I can't get to it right now. My hand won't reach to it because I got the bar stools. But there's a storage there. And there's one on that side. And also here, two small closets for hanging your clothes, which works out fine for us. Drawer space here. And this one. Drawer space. Yeah, a lot of utensils. Here, full oven. Up here, I have a microwave. Yep. Lots of cabinet space here. We're not full time. More cabinet space. Food. Yep. Okay. I redid it again. I got some yellow. I just needed something bright. I have pictures on the wall. Put something here on our sofa. It's nice. I like it. Hopefully you can see it. Let's see, can I go out a little bit? Oh, that's a better shot. So, let me show you.
Turn the hot water.
Turn the hot water on. Here's us on this wall. I needed something to accent that wall, so I think it looks nice in here. This is a couple camper. Trying to get it right. So, I know I showed you all this before, but just to let you know, show you again for those that haven't watched the previous videos. Double sink. It's nice big sink. Love the faucet. TV. No fireplace. But that's okay because we don't need it. Alright. Nice bathroom. My butterflies on the wall. Candles. Shower. Toilet. And a black accent rug. Maybe my rules in the bathroom. All right. What's wrong with me? Waiting. Yeah. Waiting on you to back up. We about to ride. He about to
That's so I can go right now. That's it. Now I gotta drive Miss Daisy.
Here we go laughing again. He gonna drive his thing. That's right. He gonna drive me around the block and bring me to take me back. He can't drive fast with me in here. And it's
Hudsons in the Corvette. Top down.
No donuts.
Engine roaring, hear that sound. Neon colors all around. Street lights flashing, watch us glide. Nothing but that Corvette ride. Hudsons in the Corvette. Ride with us, top down. Ride with us, hey, fast lane. Ride with us, good life. Ride with us, ride with us, ride with us. Skyline shining, feeling free. Jet lights crossing over me. Engine humming through the night. Living moments we can't buy. Hudsons in the Corvette. Ride with us. Top down. Ride with us. Hey, fast lane. Ride with us. Good life. Ride with us. Ride with us. Ride with us.
This is Mississippi. We do something different. We doing something different. We're a retired couple. Enjoying life. Don't want to sit at home. The wind feels so good.
Something different with the Hudsons. Something different with the Hudsons. Something different with the Hudsons.